Oh, good morning. Hi. Another live broadcast. First one I've done in quite a while. Some information about the next workshop, Saturday, 26th of February. And the workshop's going to be basically starting talking about habits. So I've got a lovely book here, Atomic Habits. And while that comes up, I'm just going to share this live broadcast on my personal Facebook page once I actually log on. So anyway, last month we started back with our first workshop, and they're going to continue for February and March. 26th of February, and I think it's the same date in March as well. Now, I've posted regularly that I do the 12-week year challenge, but underlying the 12-week year challenge is basically creating the habits to get the results that I desire, which are basically around health and Spanish language. And one of the aspects of creating habits is knowing how the foundation of setting up triggers, setting up your environment, having a look at how you act in certain given situations that will help you. So on Saturday 26th of February and Saturday 26th of March, I'll be hosting the workshop where I'll be going through information from this book here, Atomic Habits. So let me give you a quick brief of what's going to actually happen. The workshop starts at 10:30 a.m. and it runs for 2 hours, and at the beginning of the workshop you'll be introduced to some of the concepts, themes, principles, information from the book, and then you'll be provided some worksheets that you'll work through individually, and then you'll also be put into small groups of 2 or 3 people. There's only 10 spaces in the actual workshop, but I'll also be giving access online so you can join the live stream. The cost of attending the workshop or the live stream is the same. It's £25, and the reason I've set that price, I've done workshops for £10. If you can't commit to making changes in your life and you can't allocate £25 to a workshop as well as all the additional support, then for me it doesn't show you're really committed to the process. The information is out there. Information is available free on the internet. You get all the information from books, but that's not really what I'm providing. I've been doing this for a long time, and I know what works for me, and I know what works for you and for everyone else. And it really comes down to making it the smallest step change possible for you to really implement the behavior, and that's what's been provided. So you'll get access to the workshop either in person or online. You'll then also get access to 2 online follow-up workshops that I'm going to do on Zoom. So if you're attending the live workshop, you'll also have access to the Zoom sessions, and I'll set the dates and I'll post them later on. And then you'll also get 1 month of WhatsApp support. Now, I've used all different types of messaging platforms: WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, Slack. WhatsApp seems to be the one that's used the most, so I'm going to keep it simple. You'll have access to a WhatsApp group that you can join if you choose, and you can post questions in there, connect with some of the other members. What else? After the event, if you are attending live, there is a lunch at 1 p.m. at Bendigo. It's a lovely place. They've got a really lovely menu. And you don't have to attend the workshop to attend the lunch. You can just come to the lunch if you want to meet other people who are interested in personal development. I think that pretty much covers it. So let me give you a quick brief of the details again. Saturday 26th of February, 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. workshop based around this book, Atomic Habits, creating small changes that will give you big results. £25, limited spaces, 10 people. Online access also available. I'll post a link for you to make payment for the online access and how to access that, followed by a lunch at Bendigo. I think that pretty much covers it today. Just want to test the software, make sure it's all working again, and hopefully I'll share some more information soon. Alright, take care. Hope you all have a great day.